Are you trying to decide between YouTube TV and Apple TV? You're not alone. Both have their own strengths, and today we'll break them down. YouTube TV and Apple TV both offer great ways to watch your favorite shows and movies. They bring entertainment to your screen, but they do it in different ways. YouTube TV is mainly a live TV streaming service. It gives you access to a wide range of channels, including news and sports. You can record shows and watch them later. It's perfect for those who love live content. On the other hand, Apple TV is more of a media player. It lets you stream content from various apps like Netflix, Hulu, and of course, Apple TV Plus. You can also buy or rent movies and shows. It's great for people who want a lot of options in one place. Now, let's look at what sets them apart. YouTube TV focuses on live TV, while Apple TV is all about streaming from different sources. If you want to catch live events, YouTube TV is the way to go. But if you prefer on demand content, Apple TV might suit you better. When it comes to features, YouTube TV includes unlimited cloud DVR storage. This means you can record as much as you want. Apple TV offers features like AirPlay, which lets you stream from your Apple devices. They both have user friendly interfaces, but their content access differs. In terms of pricing, YouTube TV usually has a monthly subscription fee. Apple TV may have some initial cost for the device, plus subscription fees for the apps you choose. So, who should pick what? If you love live television and sports, choose YouTube TV. If you want a versatile media hub with lots of streaming options, Apple TV is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more comparisons.